Alright, here's a real quick video on how to replace the battery in your X4 key fob. This is for models 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. So this is the BMW X4 2014 through 2018 model. So this is the trapezoid style key fob, and to change the battery, flip the key over and to press this back button here to release the interior key. And you can see there's two holes in here, and on the long side of the key, if you insert the sub key here into that hole, it'll go in maybe a few millimeters there, and that'll pop off this back part. And then you can see how there's a hole here where you inserted this to pop this off, and now you can see the battery. Now, to get to the battery, simple flathead screwdriver, pop that in there, pop that battery right out, and this battery is the CR2450. And to get it back in, just make sure you place the flat side up, the kind of rounded side down, pop that back in, put your back on, pops like so, key back in, and you should be good. You won't see that warning on your BMW X4 anymore. So that's how you change the battery on the BMW X4 for models 2014 to 2018.